Here's a fun Star Trek fact. In the episode The Enemy Within, the script called for Spock to knock out Captain Kirk's evil twin with a punch. Well, actor Leonard Nimoy didn't think the character would ever do something so violent, so he invented the famous Vulcan nerve pinch. That's also the nickname of the famous Windows keyboard shortcut, Control-Alt-Delete, okay, the three-finger salute. I'm sure you know all about that one, but there are hundreds of other shortcuts that you may never have heard about. Well, here are the top 10 most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts that you never knew. Control-Alt-Delete originally rebooted the computer. Then in Windows 3.1 and later, it forced open the Task Manager. Nowadays, it gives you a list of options, including Restart and the Task Manager. But you may want to go directly to the Task Manager without adding in an extra step. Fear not, you can do that by pressing Control-Shift-Escape. If you just want to shut down a single program, you can press Alt F4. It'll close the active window for most programs. You can also use shortcuts to switch between open programs. Just press Alt Tab. Now, if you hold the Alt key, you can press Tab repeatedly to cycle through open windows. But what if you want to minimize everything you have open and go directly to the desktop? All you have to do is press the Windows key and the letter D at the same time. Press it again to bring all your windows back up. Using shortcuts can make your web browsing so much faster and easier. For example, do you know how much time you've been wasting typing in http://www.commando.com? You can fill that stuff in automatically by simply typing the name of the website and hitting Control-Enter. For instance, just type in Komando into the address bar, nothing else. Then press Control-Enter. See how easy that is? To make an instant bookmark, all you have to do is press Control-D. No need to mess around with menus. If a website or a document is too small for you to read, it's easy to zoom in by holding Control and rolling your mouse wheel back and forth. If you don't have a mouse wheel, no problem. You can press the Control key and the plus button at the same time. Hit Control and the minus sign to zoom out, or press Control and 0 to reset the zoom. If you've ever accidentally closed a browser tab, you know how frustrating it can be to track down the page you just closed? Well, press Control-Shift-T to instantly recover a closed tab. Next time you're typing an email or document, you can spell check immediately with just one keystroke, F7. This function works in most Windows programs. Finally, if you've ever made a mistake or accidentally changed or deleted something, don't panic. Keep calm and press Control-Z. This is the undo shortcut. It will undo the last thing that you did. In many programs, keep pressing Control-Z to undo more changes. In other programs, pressing it again will redo the last thing that you changed. As soon as you get the hang of these shortcuts, you'll be using your computer like a real pro. You can find these and other simple and helpful tips at my website. That's Komando.com. And hey, thanks for watching.